Hi guys, Andrews here from Approval Studio. Today we have another tutorial video and I want to tell you about the Pro version and how to work with it like a pro. So, first thing first, you need to create an Approval Studio project. In left upper corner you hit Create Project button and you type in the name of the project. This is the only mandatory field that we have. But you will see that we have more fields in here, such as description, due date, customer, project design, revision, and tags. So these fields, they are all optional, but I would still recommend you to use them. This is how you want to pass the information to your teammates that will not have access to the project. That's right, in Approval Studio Pro version, all the projects are visible only to project owners. So all other teammates will not be able to see or edit the project, although they will be able to complete the tasks you will assign them. So if you want to share this project with other people, what you're going to do, you would hit Edit button and you will add more people from this list as the project owners. That's it. Now let's switch to the second tab called Files. In here you will find two sections. One of them is Assets, files that you are going to review, and the second section is Reference Documents. These files that you are not going to review, but still you need to have them on hand. Probably these are brand books or a zip archive with fonts, any other artworks, so creatives that you're going to use for creating assets or just communicating with the client. So, as you can see in here on the assets, when we have no files at all, you will have just two options. One of them is upload and the second one is request. Upload gives you an option to upload the file yourself, but request is more interesting button because hitting this you will have two options. One of them is to create internal upload request. This is actually the internal task to your teammates, to your designers, for them to create an asset and upload it to the system. Another one is more interesting feature called Create External Upload Request. This is where you invite your client, for example, or a third-party company to upload an asset to the system for you. If you use Create External Upload Request, you will need to indicate the email address of the person you want to share this task with and hit Send. System will generate the unique invitation, and this person, despite not being a member of your team, despite not having an account in Approval Studio, will hit one button in the email and will go to the portal where they just need to upload one or several files and hit Complete Task button. You can totally customize this page. You can put your company logo in there, so your clients, colleagues will not see the Approval Studio logos or anything. They will just see your own branding in there. As for the internal upload request, by hitting this button, you will see the list of all your employees here or user groups if you created any, and all you need to do is to create the task. So select the person, hit create, and voila, the task is created. This person will not have access to the project like I said, but will see the task card or task tile and will need to hit on this task tile and upload this file for your project. So this is the reason why I initially recommended you to use those custom fields, additional fields in here, so you could share the information what the project is. So if you could put brand, product, color, market, your teammates will see this exact information on their project tile. So they will know what task or for what project the task is created. And as I said, everything is simple here. They just hit on the project task, they hit upload, and they select a file they want to upload to the system. Just like this, upload the file, complete the task. Now, having this file in the system, you will have more options. So when you open file section, you will see the preview, you will see that there is only one version of the file saying cycle 1. and you will have an option to review file yourself. You will have an option to assign an internal user to review this file, meaning that you want your colleague to review this file, and you have an option to send this file via email to a client for review. Again, hit create external review button, type in the email of your client, of the reviewer. You can set up the simple mode if you want to limit the options in the review tool, and hit send button. Thus, you will send the email to the reviewer and invite them to review the file. You've probably seen how the review system is working, so if now, look another tutorial about how to review the files in Approval Studio. But that's the idea of the Pro version, that you can perform any task yourself. You can request your internal teammates to perform this task for you, or you can ask external users, people who don't have an account in Approval Studio, to do something for you. Again, our options here: upload file, request internal upload, request external upload, request review internal, request review external. You can even send your file, the original asset, to the production, for example. Just hit this send asset via email, and system will generate the link. So the person you're sharing this file with will just hit the link and will download the original file from our server. Why it's important? Because, as you know, that the vast majority of the mail systems do not let you send files bigger than 25 megabytes. And if you have some big file, you would probably need to upload it somewhere to the cloud and then send it to the client. You can avoid this step. Just send this link and the client will download this file. I hope this short review will help you to understand how to work with the system, and we'll have more videos, so feel free to leave your questions down here in the comments, or contact our support team via email or chat with the questions, and we'll create more how-to videos for you. Have a great day. Cheers.